On a bright and breezy morning, Mirabel, Matthew, and Madison stepped onto a gigantic cruise ship called the Action Star, its hull shimmering in the sunlight like a promise of adventure. The ship was lively, painted in bold blue and shining silver, and the flag above fluttered with excitement, as if it were just as eager to set sail. "Welcome aboard," called the captain, a jolly fellow with a big hat and an even bigger smile. "This is a special ship. On this cruise we learn verbs, action words that show what people do." With a blast from the ship's horn and a tug on the ropes, the Action Star glided away from the dock, ready for a journey full of doing. Morning on the sunny deck was a festival of energy. The friends walked onto the wide open space and felt the warm sun tickling their faces. They ran past rows of bright, stripy deck chairs, hopped over wiggling shadows, and waved at swooping, chattering seagulls. Mirabel twirled and danced, spinning gracefully in circles. Matthew marched high and proud, then stretched his arms out to touch the sky and balanced on tiptoe. Madison skipped all the way to the rail, spun like a top, and giggled into the wind. "Look at us," Mirabel laughed. "We are doing so many verbs." All three posed for a picture, smiled as wide as they could, and cheered so loudly a dolphin leapt from the waves nearby. At the splashy pool party, the fun continued. After quickly changing into their swimming gear, the trio walked over to the splash pool and dipped their toes in first, just to check. One by one, they jumped in with gleeful shouts. They swam across the pool, kicked their legs like frogs, and floated on rainbow-coloured rings. Brave Matthew dived through a shiny hoop. Madison splashed water so high that even the sunbeams giggled, and Mirabel pretended to row a super-fast boat, leading a cheerful race around the pool. They raced, rested on floaty mats, stretched their tired arms, and laughed till their cheeks felt sore. Adventure Zone fun was an obstacle course of action. Together they climbed the bumpy mini rock wall, crawled through rainbow-coloured tunnels, pushed spinning barrels, pulled themselves up ropes, slid down twisty slides, and swung across the play zone on a flying sausage. When Matthew slipped, he frowned, but Madison encouraged him with a smile and a helping hand. Mirabel jumped and clapped when he made it to the top at last. "Verbs help us move, grow, and even believe in ourselves," declared Madison, and everyone agreed. In the craft corner, the friends settled down at long tables filled with paper, paints, and sparkles. They sat, chose their favourite colours, and created masterpieces. Mirabel painted a huge ship, just like the Action Star, and added trailing flags. Matthew built a captain's hat from fluffy blue card. Madison decorated everything with twinkling stars, sharing her sparkles cheerfully. When they finished, they cleaned their brushes, organised the craft trays, and gazed at their handiwork with pride. After so much doing, it was time for snacks. The friends washed their hands, sat close together, and tucked into crisp apples and cool fruit juice. They listened to each other's stories and took turns telling jokes. "Every thank you and every please," the captain reminded them, was also a verb showing good manners. As evening painted the sky orange and pink, the big stage was set for talent night. The friends nervously waited in the wings, then sang a silly song about sea creatures. They danced with jellyfish props and performed their favourite moves from the deck. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.